You've been doing hypnosis wrong this whole time. If you've been using inductions or having people close their eyes or relax, or if you've even been counting down or counting up, if you've been working on your hypnotic voice, all of that is just theater. You don't need it. All you need is your client's imagination. My name is Christian Skoorsmith. I'm a hypnotist, hypnotherapist in Seattle, Washington. You might know me from my articles in the Journal of Hypnotism, or from classes or workshops at the NGH or other conventions, or read one of my 4 books on hypnosis. But I'm telling you now, all of that doesn't matter. You don't need it. I'll be presenting at the 2024 NGH Convention using internal family systems therapy as a form of hypnosis. Internal family systems, or IFS, is a cutting-edge, dynamic technique and orientation to the human psyche that capitalizes on the imagistic nature of our mind and of the persistence of subpersonalities within us. It's increasingly popular in conventional therapy circles, but you'll immediately recognize its essential hypnotic foundation. IFS starts with the assumption, what if we're all healthfully multiple personalities? What if we are an internal community of diverse complexes that interact with us and each other? How can we take advantage of that to effect radical change fast? In my presentation, Hypnosis Without Hypnosis, I'll be introducing internal family systems as a way to work with a wide variety of client concerns and issues in a profound, effective, efficient, and intuitive way that builds on our expertise as hypnotists. Using IFS has transformed how I work with clients and my convictions about what's really required for powerful hypnotic intervention. So join me at the NGH Convention in Marlborough, Massachusetts this August. And together, let's not change just the hypnosis industry, let's change lives.